Can you give this to Mikey? Give that to Mikey. Give that to Mikey, buddy.
Did you give it?
You just let him lick it.
Give it to Mikey. Give it to Mikey. No, not for you. Give it to Mikey. He's so good. Good, Mikey. Yeah. Did you get it? Put it on the couch. Put it here. Yeah! You did it.